In this video, I'm going to test motherboard and basically do the last video in reverse. Disassemble the new PC and reassemble the case. I'm going to test the RAM slots, M.2 slots, physical X16 PCI Express slots, and the 8 SATA ports. From the I/O, all I need to work are 2 USB ports, 1 display output which is optional, and both gigabit LAN ports. Let us start with the first boot. This is my live reaction. Yay! We got post! Here I'm just playing in the BIOS, but eventually I reset it to default. I've determined that the first full-length PCI Express slot, NVMe slot, and 2 of the SATA ports work. Now I'm going to test another group, which includes second full-length PCI Express slot, the second NVMe slot, and 2 other SATA ports.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there, I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they send for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out.
Sorry for the footage quality, I didn't realize the camera wasn't focused. The second group is okay too. Let's move on to the third group.
Even now, laying down hundreds of miles away, I can see you and me like it was yesterday. I know it's not the same, but I'm still behind you every step of the way. Look in yourself and I'll be there, I can guide you. All the love is the same. If they send for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out. When the lights turn out, you can find me when the lights turn out.
The third group works fine as well. And the fourth and last group, which includes the last two SATA ports and onboard graphics. Which they work to. Just like that, I've tested the hardware. Now let's disassemble this hardware and return everything where it came from. In my defense, I'm struggling to take out the RAM because the tripod and phone are in the way. I'm going to put everything back in the box I received them in so that in the near future when I'm going to assemble them, I can easily find them. So, the disassembly is done. Let's go for the final part. Now it's afternoon and I'm so tired. That's why I forgot to install the 970 EVO back in its place. And I didn't want to do gymnastics to install it, so I took the GPU out. Just like that, the 970 EVO is in its place, as is the GPU. There goes the M.2 heatsink. Let's work our way to the back side of the case, cleaning a little, installing the HDD and power supply. After a little bit of wrestling with the power supply, let's move on to the AIO. I have to unscrew it, install the RAM and EPS cable, and screw it again. Sorry for the video quality again. I was so tired at this point.
Últimamente nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso y si el juez está de paso termina dictaminando la sentencia. Salimos presuntos de inocencia. Pasito para atrás por si nos arrepentimos. Si nadie es culpable pues culpamos al destino con él.
The AIO is installed again.
Si nos vamos, si se va, pues nos fuimos. Y yo el ave, campo otra vez, tiro lino. Ya lo sabes, antes de ayer lo dimos. Y si nos vamos, de nadie nos despedimos. Pilla el ave, avión, coche, kilo limo. No lo saben, pero hace 5 dimos. Nena, por tu forma de hablar, intuyo que
Now we have to install the 24-pin motherboard cable and GPU 8-pin and 6-pin. The assembly is done.
nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso y si el juez está
It's time for test.
dictaminando la sentencia. Salimos presuntos de inocencia. Pasito para atrás por si nos arrepentimos. Si nadie es culpable pues culpamos al destino con él.
Hard disk is not detected because I forgot to connect power to it. And we're done. Thanks for watching.